I think the number one mistake that women make is that they don't treat themselves as a personal brand and they don't think strategically. Hello ladies, I'm Tabita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to summarize Module 2 of the School of Affluence 7-step formula to high society. It's called Improve Your Personal Presence. So you're going to learn how to improve your personal presence so that you can move from a plain Jane to an affluent woman. To make a transformation, you need to learn how to behave, let go of all insecurities, and be willing to walk the extra mile. People judge you based on your personal appearance, especially in the affluent community. Having a good overall look is just so important. Before I continue, I want to invite you to hit the like button. Thank you so much. The secret lays in your personal presentation and your communication. Personal branding includes your behavior, the way you dress, your appearance, your reputation, and your background story. The women who become very successful in the affluent community care a lot about their personal branding. They pay attention to detail a lot. That is so important. To pay attention to the tiny details. That is what makes all the difference. I'm talking about your overall appearance. It's not just about hair, makeup, clothes. It's about your overall appearance, the overall self. You have to fake it until you make it. It should look natural, not forced. Here are some values to strive for. You want to be classy, feminine, intelligent, you want to feel high caliber, you want to be educated, elegant, and you want to feel high status. You have to work on your self-confidence. That is so important. You have to invest in your looks and you have to get your image right. Manners and etiquette are the foundations of ladylike behavior. To blend in with the upper class, we must learn their social rules and learn how to behave and act with class and decorum. It's easily done by applying the basic mindset of good manners: consideration, appreciation, empathy, and interest. Show interest in things. Do some small talk. Learn about etiquette and control your emotions. Use your body language to your advantage. Body language should be used as a strategy because it has immense power and can be used to persuade people exactly how you want. Body positioning, eye contact, and gestures gives you immense power, and it enables you to position yourself the way you want in the social hierarchy. Your behavior only does half of the job. Then you need to learn how to talk like a lady. Your conversation skills are very important, as that's how people are going to get to know you. Here are some tips on how to have good conversation skills. Here are 3 tips on how you can practice speaking elegantly. Use good grammar in English. Don't curse or speak aggressively. The 3rd tip is that you should never speak about sex, money, or politics, or any sensitive topic with strangers or acquaintances. Never do that. You need to have confidence. You can fake confidence by using confident body language. Fake it till you make it. Remember that. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Okay, so I want you to comment below with the affirmation, I am affluent. Do that so I'll know that you watched the entire video. Thank you and thank you. You can watch part 1 of this series of summaries after this one. Thank you. I will see you soon.